Good morning vlog. Today I am walking up to my parents' house. They just live around the corner from me. My father is heading off to Europe. He's jet setting to see some family, extended family of mine. So off to say farewell to him, have a bit of a coffee this morning and hope he has a safe flight. And then back to work with Sean today and a bit more work in the studio. So first things first, let's just say goodbye to Dad.
Man. Paper plane gang. 501 young. Hey, shout out to my brother Spitter, man. I just wanted to say that. Yeah. And your bitch can see this shit from across the street, nigga. It's pimping over here. Macaroni. Cushion oranges, nigga.
Bye. Okay, so just say goodbye to Dad. He's off on his way. Nice day to be flying today. Beautiful blue day. What are we doing? Oh, Sean's coming over very soon, so I will see you when he gets here. Look who it is. Hi. Sean's here. How you doing, buddy?
Not well.
Not well? Why not?
Because I've got a heavy cold.
Ah, Sean's sick. Don't give it to me. So, Sean, down here we're going to pick a cucumber of mine because we want to have it for lunch. Beautiful. Yum, yum, yum. Ow. Can't. There we go. Look at that, Sean.
Wow.
How awesome is that?
Yeah.
Wicked. It's going to be yummy, hey? Hey, buddy. You want to come outside for play? Come on. That's fine. Come for play out in the sun. Hey? Come on. There you go. Hey dude, how you doing? One thing that I learned is that it's super important for cockatiels to have some vitamin D, actually, to get some sunshine. So they really need to see the sun, get some sun on their feathers. Apparently it's really good for them to have vitamin D as it is for humans. So make sure that he comes outside, comes and sits down on the grass, plays around, gets some sunshine. Hey, what? What is it? Quack, quack. Cranky little man, aren't ya? So, as I was saying before, cockatiels definitely need a lot of vitamin D, so it's important to bring them out. So if you've got one, bring them outside. Spend time with them, playing. If you've got little toys, feed them outside. They can nibble on the grass, things like this. But it's super important to give them time in this amazing sun. So just like we need it, cockatiels need it too. So make sure you do. My guy absolutely loves it. Doobie is obsessed with being outside. So we try and take him wherever we can. He comes, sits on the shoulder, does some gardening, these kinds of things. But absolutely love doing it, so make sure you do too. We've got cucumber, lettuce, gluten-free wrap, our black bean beetroot burgers, and avocado. And there we go. There you are, my friend.
Thank you.
How are they?
Beautiful.
Alright, let's give this a crack. Pretty yum. Homemade cucumber.
Yep.
Gluten-free garbage, but still yum. Now that we've finished lunch, I think it's time to get our creative hats on and get some stuff happening. Sean wants to do some colouring in, so we'll give you a snapshot of that.
Cool. Blue ice. Things never look this nice.
Okay, so we've done some good work, creativity and
Yeah.
artwork based, so we're now going to sign off, and I'll see you again for another video. Thanks again for being in it, Sean.
You're welcome.
See you guys later.